In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube keeps stopping problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, check that your YouTube app is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search for YouTube, click on YouTube, update YouTube app if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube, click on YouTube, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, then clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open YouTube app. Hello. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube keeps dropping problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.